Hey everyone, hope you are well. So, I am going to share my financial analysis dashboard with all of you. So, here is the dashboard where you can see some slicers, country, year, project, segment, and this is the card for total revenue, and this is for the total expenses, this is for the total profit, and as you can see, average profit margin and total unit sale. So this is one of my clients work which I got from Fiverr, and he needs this within 2 days, so I made this within just 1 day and just within 3 hours. So her data is started from here. As you can see, this is the segment one. Like in the segment you can see like channel partners, enterprise, government, mid-market, small business, and unknown one. And her country was like Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States of America, unknown. And the product was Amarilla, Carretera, Monota, Peso, unknown, Velo, VTT. And if you guys are worried about the unknown one, actually I have put this to enter new data here, as my client will want to add new data in the future. And this is the discount fund, unit sold, manufacturing price, sales price, gross sales. So these gross sales are calculated with some formulas, and here as you can see the discounted price, the sales price, like the total sales, and the COGS profit, and the date when they purchased the product. And here is the month number, the month name, and year. This field was created to make it easy to build the pivot table, as you can see. So let's get started here. This chart showing the revenue by product, which you can see this is like the Pesio is the highest revenue product, and the lowest one is Carretera. And the second chart we can see the expenses by region. Here the top region was the United States of America, and the sum, as you can see, and here is the revenue by segment. Like within the 5 segment, the most highest segment was here the government one, the 44%. And the expenses by product are showing us the Pesio is the most expensive product. The monthly revenue trend, as you can see, the product based on which product I will select, then that product monthly revenue will show here. And this is the profit by country. Like France is profiting by selling this product too much, and Mexico is showing down by selling this product. So here I will now select to show if my charts are working and interactive. Let's wait for a moment. It's loading. Yeah, as you can see, just for the product Carretera, the revenue and the expenses by the region, and for that product the monthly trend, the expenses by the product, and profit by the country are showing. And if I change this by year also, it will also change. As you can see, in 2013 the Velo product is the highest revenue holder, and in that product profit by country, which is indicate the Germany are profiting in 2013 by selling this product, and the monthly revenue, as you can see. And one more thing, if I choose the country here also, like I will choose here the Canada, France, Germany, to show only these 3 countries. Here you can see the Canada, France, Germany, and here also you can compare between these three countries, something like this. And you can also see the revenue by product just for within these three countries. So here it is. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know if you want to see anything of my work. Maybe my English is not so good, but I am trying to build myself. So have a good day. Bye bye.